There's been a development after that video and that pictures that went viral of jailed Kannada actor Darshan, who made headlines again over when it comes to serious allegations of kidnapping and murdering his fan Renuka Swami. This is the picture that went viral, and this is said to be from within the jail. Parpana Agrahara Central Jail in Bengaluru, dressed in a grey t-shirt and black trousers. He is seen holding a cup of beverage in one hand and a cigarette in another hand. He can be seen sitting with other three rowdy sheeters inside jail premises, enjoying his beverage, laughing about something. And this images that has gone viral, that has now sent a flurry of activity when it comes to the Director General Prisons, who is now in the dock. Questions that are now being raised as to how such facilities are provided to a murder accused, and that to behind bars. And if this was not enough, there is a video that went viral. There you can see where he is interacting with his aide over a video call, and that too allegedly from behind the bars. Now the father of the victim, Renuka Swami, he is saying that looking at those images, he is disheartened, saying that this is not the way as far as a prisoner who is behind bars, the kind of facilities and the VVIP treatment is being given to an actor like Darshan. Only says that he is living in a resort or in a hotel, but definitely not in jail.
ಜೈಲು ಜೈಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕವನ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಜೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೈದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕವೇನ. ಇದು ನನಗೂ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. 4 ಜನ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಗರೇಟು ಚಾ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿಥಿ ಗೃಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೈಲು ಅತಿಥಿ ಗೃಹ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜೈಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ವಿನಾ ಜೈಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಅವರು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿದ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಆತ್ಮಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Well, Deepak is with us, joining us live. Deepak, what happened with all of those leaders and the DG prisons all were reaching the central jail? I guess you're showing us the pictures. There's a lot of movement that taking place behind you. Over to you.
Yes, as we speak, the Home Minister of Karnataka, Mr. G. Parmeshwar, has just stepped out. He has held a meeting, of course, inside with the senior officials. We'll, of course, try and get in a word from him as well about the steps that are being taken to ensure such incidents do not occur, and more importantly, what are the latest findings. I'm just going to dive straight across.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ ಪರಪ್ಪನ ಅಗ್ರಹಾರದ ಜೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ 7 ಜನ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಚೀಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಡೆಂಟ್, ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಶೇಷಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಸೂಪರಿಂಟೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇವರು ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಈ ಬಂದಿಖಾನೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತಂತವರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕೆಳಗಿನವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
All right, that's the State Home Minister there reaching as far as the central jail in Bengaluru and announcing the steps and the actions that have now been taken up on part of the government there. Reacting to the storm over Darshan's video, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who has now said through his social media handle as far as the CM of Karnataka office is concerned, at least 7 officials who have been said to be involved providing such facilities to a murder accused behind bars, they have now been suspended. This is a big development that is coming to light as far as actor Darshan's video going viral.
But there is a lapse on the part of the officers concerned. ನಾವೀಗಾಗಲೇ 7 ಜನನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ. ಬಹುಶಃ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಏನು ಕಥೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 7 ಜನರನ್ನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ರಿ, ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ. ಅವರು ಜೈಲಿನಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರದಿ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್.
Well, Imran, the action that has been taken is only suspension of 7 officials who have been announced. But still, there needs to be an inquiry exactly who was bribed, what was the amount that was paid, and who all have been taken advantage of being an influential person to enjoy such facilities, and that too behind bars.
Well, absolutely. That's a very pertinent question. And in fact, the investigation will throw out, and when the report is submitted to the state government. But the state government has said that apart from the 7 officials which have been suspended, we've got to know now. My colleague Deepak Bopana, who is there, is giving information that 2 senior officials, the chief superintendent and superintendent of Bangalore Central Jail, have been also action has been initiated against them. They have been suspended by the state government. But important is the inquiry report, which will throw out how this entire network was working and how Darshan, being a high-profile prisoner, and earlier court also had denied him home court, looking at the gravity of the situation and how these were access to the food. What we're getting to know that even biryanis were supplied to Darshan, and now the cigarettes and coffee inside the jail premises, along with noted rowdy shooters. He was sitting in the jail premises and looked like someone who's sitting in a park. That angered the netizens there over social media and asking how a high-profile prisoner can be seen enjoying privileges just like sitting in a normal park. In fact, Darshan's father also spoke and said that criminals should not be treated like this, and he was aghast at the way he's been given VVIP preferential treatment by the prison officials in Bangalore.
Right, and he said that he was disheartened looking at the way as far as he was enjoying himself behind bars. Doesn't look that it was jail, probably looked like it was summer resort. But as far as this breaking update is concerned, just quickly repeating the lines of what information Deepak has been sharing with us, that 2 senior officials who have been suspended, including that of the chief superintendent and the superintendent of Bengaluru Central Jail. That is a big development that has taken place so far. We'll keep our viewers updated. Imran, thank you very much to you as well. Back after a short break and back with the latest headlines. You're watching Times Now.